Hi Sam. Today we're diving into the word
Stück.
Hi Alex. What does
Stück.
mean?
Stück.
primarily means piece or part. It's commonly used, especially when you refer to something that is a portion of a whole, like a piece of cake. Be careful, though. It sounds similar to the English word stuck, but they are not related.
Oh, that's interesting. Is there anything specific I should know about its grammar?
Yes.
Stück.
Is a neuter noun, so it uses the article.
Das.
In the plural, it becomes.
Stücke.
You could say,
Das Stück Kuchen ist lecker.
meaning the piece of cake is delicious. In the past tense, you might say,
Ich hatte ein Stück.
which means I had a piece.
And how do I use it in the perfect tense?
In the perfect tense, you would say,
Ich habe ein Stück gegessen.
which translates to I have eaten a piece. It's formed with
Hat.
plus the past participle.
Gegessen.
That's good to know. What about the imperative form?
For imperative, you can say,
Nimm ein Stück.
meaning take a piece.
Where does the word
Stück.
come from?
Stück.
Has its roots in Old High German, where it was used as,
Stuck.
meaning a piece or a portion. It evolved over time into its current form, and its meaning has remained fairly consistent.
That's fascinating. How does the word itself break down?
Stück.
Can't be easily split into smaller parts since it's quite straightforward. However, if you think of it as a fundamental building block, it can help you remember it better.
Are there any similar words I should know?
Absolutely. Let's group them. For the prefix, you can look at
Stück.
and compare it to,
Stückchen.
which means small piece. Then we have words like
Zuschnitt.
meaning cut piece, where the prefix means to.
What else?
You could also consider,
Einzelstück.
which means individual piece. The suffix
Stück.
implies a piece of something. Then there's
Möbelstück.
meaning piece of furniture.
I see. What if we look at some with similar patterns?
Sure. Some more examples are
Kunststück.
meaning trick or feat, and
Abstück.
meaning cut off piece. They all follow a similar pattern.
This is really helpful, Alex.
Now, let's practice using
Stück.
in real-life situations. Imagine you're at a bakery. You could say,
Ich hätte gern ein Stück Kuchen.
which means I would like a piece of cake.
Ich hätte gern ein Stück Kuchen.
Perfect. Another situation could be at a restaurant when you order. You might say,
Ich möchte ein Stück Pizza.
meaning I want a piece of pizza.
Ich möchte ein Stück Pizza.
Great job. Lastly, if you're discussing something at home, you could say,
Gib mir ein Stück Papier.
which means give me a piece of paper.
Gib mir ein Stück Papier.
Wonderful. Now let's think about gender memory hints. Since
Stück.
is neuter, you can remember it with the ending,
Chen.
often being neuter as well.
That's helpful.
For usage notes,
Stück.
can be used in both formal and informal contexts. Some common collocations are
Ein Stück Schokolade.
meaning a piece of chocolate,
Ein Stück Brot.
meaning a piece of bread, and
Ein Stück Fleisch.
meaning a piece of meat.
What about confusing words?
A commonly confused word is
Stück.
and,
Stuck.
which means to stick. They sound similar but have different meanings.
Got it. Can you give me some example sentences with
Stück.
Of course. Here are a few.
Ich habe ein Stück Käse gekauft.
Meaning I bought a piece of cheese. And
Hast du ein Stück von diesem Buch gelesen?
which means did you read a piece of this book?
That's cool.
Another one is
Wir haben 2 Stücke Kuchen gegessen.
meaning we ate 2 pieces of cake.
Nice.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. What does
Stück.
mean in English?
It means piece or part.
Correct. How do you say I want a piece of pizza in German?
Ich möchte ein Stück Pizza.
Excellent. What is the plural form of
Stück.
It's
Stücke.
right again? What's the perfect tense form you would use with
Stück.
Ich habe ein Stück gegessen.
perfect? And lastly, what is a similar word that means individual piece?
I think it's
Einzelstück.
You did fantastic today, Sam. Remember,
Stück.
is a versatile word that you can use in various contexts. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better.
Thank you, Alex. I really enjoyed learning about
Stück.
today.